For taxation, for example, you are employed, okay? Does your employer deducting your pay prevent you from being employed? Would you say that I'm not going to come to work because now I'm being taxed?
But again, at the end of the day, if I'm a content creator, and I'm required to pay this amount of money, and I'm not, I cannot be able to attain that, yet there is a policy and the government requires me to do that. What do I do? What options do I have? What avenues can I go through?
Okay, what we do, for taxation, we do not tax income that you do not have. We cannot tell you to pay us $1 million, and yet you do not make $1 million. Okay, maybe you make 100,000, and we are coming to you telling you to pay us a tax of $1 million. That doesn't work like that. Taxation works on what you have earned. Okay, so as a content creator, you have earned 1 million shillings, but because you have not earned it formally, let me use that informal sector, because you have not earned it formally, your employer does not withhold anything from you because you are your own employer. Okay, would it be fair then if we taxed someone who is employed and earning 1 million shillings and failed to tax this other person who is self-employed and earning 1 million shillings? You get my point, huh? So one of the key pillars of taxation is fairness. We need to tax everyone fairly so that everyone can carry the burden of building the economy. Content creators are making a lot of money out there. They're getting paid by YouTube. You see Akina Eve Mongai, we have the Pluto. All these are people who are making money, and they have come out to say we are making a lot of money from content creation. Okay? Now, if they are making that much, then wouldn't it be fair for everyone to carry a part of this burden so that it would be easier for everyone? You get it? Now, if we want these taxation policies to be more friendly to the Kenyan, what we do, we come up with measures that allow a lot of people to be taxed on the same. Okay? So now that way the burden becomes lighter because it's like a harambe. If you say you had an emergency, you wanted to raise 1,000 shillings. By yourself, you'd have to give that 1,000 shillings. If you came 10 people, each one would have to give 100 shillings. If there are 1,000 people, everyone would give a shilling. Okay? So that's why the president is also insisting very much on tax-based expansion. Because the more people who are paying, the easier for us to meet these targets without overburdening anyone.
Talking about, you're talking about tax policy.